Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a special marine warning for Lake Ontario from Lower Niagara River to Sunset Beach until 6:30 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 24 miles north of Fort Niagara and moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wilson, 30 Mile Point, and Ocott. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.